What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to post a Facebook Live event on your feed. Welcome back to TechMan. So let's begin by opening our Facebook app on your device. Make sure you are on the home page. On the top, click what's on your mind to add a new post and live event. From here, scroll down and click this live event option over here. You have a lot of categories you can choose to add to your live event. You can also create one if you want. In our case, let's select this interests and activities. So give your event a title. You can adjust the date. Let's just use this date. Then you can add a brief description about your event. After that, you can add same location or tag some friends. If you think that you're good to go, tap next on the top right corner. You can also add something over here. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.